Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. We've got exciting news. We're about to look at the Cannon Alpha at Kedron GWM, and you can join us on our journey with the family. Look, we've got 7 people in the Tank 500, fully loaded. Got Luca the kid in the back, Pamela Anderson in the back right there. All right, so we're gonna go have a quick look. We've got the hybrid top of the range Alpha. So let's go, have a look, like and subscribe. Let's go, peace out, woo! So we're here, we're at Kedron GWM, and we have got the Cannon Alpha in the background. Look at it. All right, so from driving the Tank 500, what I've found is in eco mode, it will always rely on trying to keep as much energy saved as possible. So how it does that is it'll only keep the battery charged to around 40–50%, okay? So it won't go more than sort of 55%. The reason it does that is it cuts off the petrol engine whenever it can. Now, this has got the same drivetrain as the Tank 500, however, there is also a diesel. Now, I know in Australia, everyone loves diesels, and it's a 2.4 litre upgraded diesel engine, okay? So, what that means is, you guys that live on farms and rural areas, you'll be able to buy one of these luxury utilities and fill it up with diesel. It is a luxurious car. Let's have a look. Let's go take a look inside. All right. You don't get the fancy side steps as the same as the Tank 500. However, you still get a nice running board, okay? Really nice running board. Quite a big door. Lots of leg room. Very similar interior to the Tank 500, okay? So the interior, from what I found looking at it today, the interior is very, very similar to the Tank 500. The only real differences are the materials are quite not as nice as the Tank 500, but it is like, it's $10,000 cheaper. So this vehicle is 10 grand cheaper. You get a utility. Look at the back of it. You've even got electric reclining rear seats. So it doesn't just recline the rear, it actually pushes your bum forward so you can get comfortable in the back of a utility. Now, there's not many utes on the road under 100 grand that have that feature at all, if any, okay? This here is for an umbrella. Savage Offroad, we've just measured this up. We're gonna get some custom made umbrellas with Savage Offroad logos on it, and it's gonna go in here. So when you get out of your vehicle, you have access to an umbrella. Look at that, how easy is that? So you can put your umbrella in here, or whatever your imagination thinks of. Whether it be some sort of toy, you can hide it away in safety. I don't know if it's IP rated, but anyway. All right, so you can see how quite a big door this is. Look at the area here. This door is massive. Quite a massive door. Real luxurious. I'll jump in. Triple seal. Really? Wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3. Triple seal door. So, what do you reckon? We take one of these off-road, hey? And we see if we can... Rico, can I borrow your car and we go to Glassie's?
Let's go.
Rico's getting one. So we're gonna be testing these on Savage Offroad. So this is in your upright position, okay? I'm gonna actually jump in the front quickly, and we're gonna put me... I'm 5'9", not that tall, unfortunately. 5'9". This is about where I'd sit. Now I'm gonna jump in the back. Very comfortable, lots of toe room, plenty of toe room, and I'm gonna recline the seat and go into comfort mode. All right, how awesome is that? So plenty of space still for a 5'9" driver. You can recline the rear seat. If the driver's a 6'2" driver, you can always sit back up or tailor it to where you feel comfortable. Now, if that's not good enough, you've also got aircon seats in the rear, heated seats in the rear, aircon seats in the front, and heated seats in the front. How awesome is that, okay? Now this is your top spec model, so this is the Ultra Hybrid. So you can see the seat just came back. That is a comfort setting, so when you exit and enter the car, it gives you more room to enter and exit the vehicle. Okay, now, this is another cool feature. Come in here and have a look at this. So I've got a button down here that I can press, right, and open the window. So if you've got your furry friend in the back of the car, you can say hello to him. How cool is that? So you can open and close the rear window. Mate, that is a feature. Now, I've always been jealous of the NP300 because they've got that feature. Now they've got it in the Cannon. This ute also has a fold down wireless charger built in to the rear armrest. Okay, wireless charging built in, mate, and a storage compartment for your chewing gum, whatever you want to put in here. Real good quality. We've also got this in the back here. So this is for your drink holders. So when your passengers have drinks in the back, you can put your coffee cup in there. Mate, it's got everything, this ute, everything, all right? Now, one of the biggest features is obviously cars for families, right? So if you have a family, they've got ISOFIX points hidden under here, okay? So you've got your ISOFIX, so you can still put your child seat under here and clip it straight in. Nice convenience for your family. Another thing behind the rear seat when you fold it down, okay? How cool is that? It's a tri-fold, I didn't even know that. It's got a tri-fold rear seat, so you can keep the middle up. Don't know why, I mean, you wouldn't fit in here, but it's a cool feature to have. I mean, you can choose which side of the seats you want to fold down. And when you fold this down, you'll see behind here, we've got a woofer, because this car has an infinity stereo. All right, so it has a subwoofer in here. The stereo pumps, it's actually better than the Tank 500. So quite a good, decent stereo. But I mean, for the price they're asking for this vehicle, it's quite a substantial amount of car you get for the price. It's actually amazing. Really quite amazing vehicle. Anyway, so that's inside the rear seats. You've got your nice storage compartments on the side, all felt lined. You don't get that in your Japanese cars, nice felt lined. Look at that. Nice. Big downfall to the GWM Cannon original Cannon. This is the Cannon Alpha, the bigger model, more luxurious, okay? We've even got Alcantara lining. Probably not the best color choice for a ute because Alcantara can get quite dirty, but probably go and buy some suede shoe protector, spray it up there, protect the roof lining. It's really nice finished. For a utility, it's ridiculous. You've got your big, massive sunroof. We'll open that up and have a look later. In the back here, in the Cannon, the original Cannons, we didn't have interior lights. This vehicle has interior lights in the back. So nice LED lighting you can see up on both sides. You've got your little grab handle on both sides so you can easily get in and out of the vehicle. Now one of the coolest features of this car is the rear tailgate, okay? Now, look at this. It's got a weird line in the middle. What's that for? Did they make a mistake? No, they didn't, right? So if you press quickly, it'll release that door. So that door is completely open now, right? So we can literally get access. Now people go, oh, my GWM Cannon has a step ladder. Well, you've still got a ladder because you've still got the step here. So you can still climb up into your ute. How handy is that? Now that is an awesome feature of this ute. The other thing is, people are like, I don't like that. I've heard people go, why is it split? I don't like it. Okay, for all you whingers out there, look at this, ready? You can hold this for 2 seconds and it'll just pop down. And it'll just pop open. Look at that. That is awesome feature. GWM Cannon Alpha, I think you guys are doing a great job. Mate, look at this thing. So inside here, you've all got random tie-down points. They are full of bed liner, however, you've still got them in there, so you need to probably clean them out before you tie anything down into it and put any accessories. We'll see what accessories we can make for the vehicle, Savage Offroad. So we'll utilize these points, see if there's any little straps and stuff, and we might make some stuff to go in the back of these things. Nice, decent sized tub. Another cool feature is you've got the rear brake light up there. With the rear brake light on either side, you can turn on that, this is called a tub light. So at night, if you're camping and you want a bit of light, you can turn it on from the vehicle system and turn on the rear light. We've got a hectic Toyota, oh my God, Celica. All right, so we're inside the Cannon front. Now let's have a look. We've got a nice steering wheel, really good size, paddle shifters, full head-up display. You've got your beautiful, big, massive screen in the center and the side. So your cluster is all down here. Feels very premium. Built-in navigation. So in the front, you've got your split climate control. So your passenger and then your drivers, you can sync it. In the rear, you've got your heated and cooling seats. So you can turn it on from here, select what you want, heating or cooling. Okay, we'll go back to the front. So in the front, you've got your recirculation, everything auto mode. All right, so we'll go out of this. You got your screen, DAB radio, which is really handy because, I mean, a lot of people just like to listen to the radio. So you got your DAB radio, another handy feature to have in a utility. Now, the premium model comes with this nice analog clock, same as the Tank 500. You can also, underneath here, you've got a Type A USB charger and a Type C fast charger. So with that, there's actually a little plug here you can lift up and you can run your cable so you don't need to run it outside the console, and it comes up through here and it just goes straight down underneath the middle console where the storage compartment is, okay? So you can wireless charge or you can plug it in. I seem to plug mine in because I find Type C to Type C chargers very quick, and I love the charging speed, so I always just plug mine and run a little short Type C to Type C cable underneath. Nice big massive center console box. Very similar to Tank 500. This whole center console is pretty much the same. The whole interior is virtually the same as I've said before. It's just the materials aren't quite as premium. The leather's not as nice as the Tank 500. You don't get it. I mean, for a ute, it is ridiculous. Don't get me wrong. It is absolutely amazing. But compared to the Tank 500 is a lot more premium inside the vehicle. Now, in the center console, you have got your little ventilation here for your air conditioning. So when you pump your aircon, it'll also keep this cool in here, so you can put your little drinks and stuff in here when you're touring around Australia and towing your 3.5 tow capacity caravan around Australia. 2 cup holders in the center here. All your differential locks, so your 4-low, your twin locked. Mate, you can go anywhere in this car. You've got your heated, your cool seats. So your heated, your cool seats on the other side. Nice little touch buttons. Really quick access. Your parking. Look at this. Look at this camera. How ridiculous is that? Look at the quality of that. All right, so you can look at everything. It amazes me what these cars come with these days for, I mean, you know, the price they're asking for this is absolutely ridiculous. So it's such a bargain. You've also got the convenience, if your rear passenger wants to push the seat forward and there's no one sitting there, you can actually move the seat forward easily. Or if the driver and you've got maybe kids getting in the back and no one's in the front, you can also move that back, forward, okay? So the kids have more room in the back. Maybe they're watching TV, put some TVs on the rear headset, keep them nice and comfortable. All right, so that's a quick look inside the Cannon Alpha. LED lighting, nice mirrors for makeup. If your wife is on the passenger side, maybe you want to look at yourself, feel free. Nice vanity mirrors in here. Such a nice vehicle. Anyway, so these are coming to market. Check it out, GWM Cannon Alpha. It's an awesome ute. We're gonna get one of these and we're gonna be putting it through its paces. Watch our channel, Savage Tech Australia. That's on YouTube. We've got Instagram, we've got all your Facebook accounts. We've also got drive days. We go and take the cars out. If you happen to buy one of these, come visit us. We're at Logan Home in Queensland. Mate, we've got a full sales team, always happy to help. Most of the sales team drive Cannons, actually the whole sales team nearly does. So all my staff love the vehicles. You're gonna get great service. Come in, visit us. We will have these cars decked out front to rear, bull bars, we'll do winches, we'll do lift kits, we do anything you want. Floor mats, big thing for these, floor mats, top selling item. Anyway, GWM Cannon Alpha, thanks again. Thanks for joining us, have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace out.